Breaking news overnight, the Supreme Court released its decision declining to block a Texas law that bans abortions after a fetal heartbeat can be detected. That's as early as 6 weeks into a pregnancy. That came less than a day after the law took effect and became the most restrictive abortion measure in the country.
Regardless of whether the pregnancy was a result of rape or incest, 6 weeks. That's all women get.
Controversial law also allows private citizens to enforce the ban through lawsuits against abortion providers or others who help women to get the procedure.
Because the impact of letting the law itself go forward is to create such an atmosphere of suspicion and uncertainty in Texas that abortion has all but come to an end in that state.
A decision that will affect the rest of their lives is made by a stranger.
The new law, he's only seen 6 patients and had to turn half of them away.
Just yesterday, I saw somebody who thought she was earlier in the pregnancy. She was crying. And then we began to explore options and think through the logistics of if she would be able to go out of state for the care that she needed.
Even though the justices found serious questions about its constitutionality, 5 conservative justices voted to let it go forward anyway.
This has been a decades-long fight ever since the Roe v. Wade decision in 1973.
I have dreams, hopes, and ambition. I'm terrified that if I am raped, then my hopes and aspirations and dreams and efforts for my future will no longer matter.
Here to be just the first state to do this, a number of other states already signaling they might follow this blueprint.
So in Arkansas, Missouri, Mississippi, slowly, basically eliminating the right to choose an abortion across the country in the coming months.
Women are not even accepted as human beings. They are treated with injustice and inequality.
One voice, the world declare. Human rights are women's rights, and women's rights are human rights.
A war on the rights of your mothers. A war on the rights of your sisters. A war on the rights of your daughters.
Leave the dark behind.
We cannot stay silent.